back side. And like we always do, what I want you to do is try this side on your own. So push pause, try it, and then push play and correct it with mine. Ready? Push pause. Okay, did you try it? For the first problem, you should have gotten 4. On the next problem, your answer should be 1. If it's not correct, fix it. Okay, on the next one, we have 8 circles. And then we crossed off 7 with 1 left. So the answer is 1. 5, cross off 1, we have 4. 3, cross off 3, that leaves 0. And our last one, we have 7 circles. We cross off 4, and that leaves 3. All right, hopefully you were able to get those, and we're getting a better understanding of subtraction. And go ahead and turn it into your teacher. Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Now today, we aren't going to be using 10 frames anymore to help us subtract because you're not always going to have a 10 frame available. Sometimes you might just have space on your paper to help you subtract. You can just draw your own dots. So on the first problem, we started with 8 dots and we crossed off 3. How many were left? It's 5. On the next problem, we're going to draw 3 circles and then we're going to cross off 2 of them. How many circles are left? 1. Very good. Next, we're going to draw 10 circles. And we're going to cross off 3. Now remember, we always cross off from backwards. So we'll do it this way. How many circles are left? 7. Good. On the next problem, we are going to start with 4 circles. So draw 4 and cross off 1. How many circles will that leave us? 3. Very good. Okay. Now we're going to draw 7. And I'm going to cross off 2. How many circles are left? 5. Very good. And on our last problem, we're going to start with 5. And how many will we cross off? 4. So that leaves us with 1. Good. All right. Now turn your paper to